Hey guys, and welcome to Crazy Days. Today, it's a little cold outside. Not enough to hurt our plants, I think, but it's a little chilly. It's in the 40s, and I went out picking berries this morning. The mayhaws aren't ready yet, but they're turning pink, which is great. The mulberries are getting, this cold weather's fluctuating. It's making them do weird stuff, but I got I got a quart yesterday and probably maybe a pint today, so that's great with mulberries. The huckleberries are just starting to turn, so I'll only get like a dozen or so right now. Um, but I need to make laundry soap. I've done this on Deep South before and might have even done it here, I don't know, but I have people asking about laundry soap. So I'm going to show you what I have going on to make my homemade laundry soap. It calls for 5 bars of Fells Naphtha per batch, and I'm going to be making 2 batches. And instead of 5 bars per batch, I'm using 2 Zoats and 3 Fells Naphtha, which would come out pretty close to the same 10 bars of soap. And I do it the old-fashioned way with the hand grater. I've got 1 thing of the crystals. You can use 2 if you like more smell. Danny and I argue over the smell of the factor, so I'm only using 1 to kind of pacify me and 1 to pacify him. So we settled on 1 instead of 2. I used 2 boxes of the baking soda, 2 boxes of the washing soda, and back here, 2 boxes of the borax. You can add in OxyClean if you want and stuff like that, but this will do a pretty good job. I use approximately 2 tablespoons per load. Some people say 1. I'm just kind of pushing it. I use 2. So it would last me longer if I'd only use 1. But we're going to get to working with the Zoat and the Fells Naphtha. It'll take us a while, but we're going to grate it up. Hey guys, this is the Zoat and the Fells Naphtha when you open them up. The Zoat is used as a laundry whitener. It's already pink, it's pretty, it makes your laundry detergent look better, but it also whitens your clothes. The Fells Naphtha is called a laundry bar and stain remover. So you have your whitening and your stain remover in these bars of soap. We're going to take this outside because I do not want it in the house. And we're going to start grating it up. Okay guys, everybody needs a front porch, right? So we have our Zoat. I have the handy dandy little basket and a hand grater. My hand grater, I really need a new one. I've got to see about that. But you just sit here and do just grate. It'll take a while because these are big bars, and actually the Zoat really does faster than the Fells Naphtha. And I'm going to show you just a second, but let's grate a while. All that's all I got. It's gonna be a while, guys. Okay, I've got a 5-gallon bucket, and in it I have our Zote and our Fells Naphtha already grated up. And this is supposed to last for about a year. Here's our borax. Borax is used to enhance any laundry detergent. We're going to add 2 of those. Now we have our baking soda. It just helps clean and the freshness of the laundry. It takes away odor, basically. It's mainly why most people use it, is the odor properties. Here, take it away. 2 of those. And the washing soda. It increases the detergent's cleaning power to get out ground-in dirt and stains, and it helps neutralize odors. So we're going to add 2 of these. And lots of times your washing soda will be in clumps like this, and it'll break up real easily. So you'll have to sit here and do something like this to get it broke up, so you don't have these big pieces in your laundry detergent. But it'll break up pretty easy. Okay, and we'll do 2 of those. That one was in a big piece. I'll sit here and I'll make it come apart. I mean, you can just about shave it off like this. It'll work. And I'm going to get all that, and then I'm going to add 1 container of crystals. If you like the smell and stuff, you can add 2 containers, but I like it, Danny does it, so we compromise. 1 for me, none for him. And then you just mix it all up. Okay guys, off and on today I've been making laundry soap. This is it, 3/4 of the way full, but as you can see, this is just the Purex crystals and the washing soda on top. I had to break a lot of it up. One reason I put it in a 5-gallon bucket with a lid that will snap on. You put the lid on really well, and when you do, you can shake it and roll it around and nothing comes out. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to be shaking and moving it around and mixing it up really good, or you can just stick your hands in and keep mixing and get it really well. After a little effort, the lid is on. It won't come off. You can take this bucket and let your kids play with it, or you can roll it around, put the handle out where to roll. Because see, right now I'm still seeing pink. And I don't need to see pink. I need my pink mixed up in it. Okay. All right, I'm going to show you what it looks like now. This is what it looks like after I've mixed it up somewhat. You can take your hand, mix it around in there, and make sure that you have it all mixed up pretty well. That is what your laundry soap is supposed to look like when you get through. And that's approximately how much you would use per load right there. And it's got a little of everything in the mix. Okay guys, that is my laundry detergent for the year. This time it only lasted 9 months. Jared made my last batch 9 months ago when he was here. And one reason it only lasted 9 months, I've had several people in and out of our house for the past few months. We've been washing sheets and blankets plus their clothes. It's not normal laundry that Danny and I do. So 9 months has been really, really good for this. I'm praying that this will last close to the 12 months. It comes out to approximately $3 a month. So to me, that's a good savings. You can add more to it if you like, needed more of a stain fighter or whitener. You can add OxyClean. You can add more Purex crystals. Whatever you need to do, you can add to it if you want to. If you don't like something that's in it, take it out. It's up to you. It's just my recipe. That's the way I do it. That's the way I like it. And originally, I had Scratch-Made Homestead. Danny and Leslie were here a couple of years ago when we made it. And y'all, that lasted for a long, long time. We didn't have a lot of company at that time, and I don't remember how many months, but I think we each took a bar. We only made one batch. And so I have a video. I'm going to try and link that up here where we made laundry detergent with Scratch-Made Homestead. I did try the liquid soap. It did good, but I didn't like it as well. It's a longer process. It takes a lot longer. You have to let it sit for several hours and all that. And so the liquid soap stores well, and it works pretty good. I just like the powdered so much better. So that's why I went with the powdered. So if you want the recipe, it is in my cookbook, Cooking Southern Style with Deep South Homestead. It's with Tara, page 47. And it gives you everything that's in it plus the OxyClean. So you can check out my book in the link below on our Etsy store. And I have a lot of recipes you can cook with, but that one is in there, the laundry soap. So guys, thank you from Crazy Days.